Today we will review how our optimized strategy scripts performed since their optimization date. The main parameters of the scripts have not been modified, so any of the trades that occurred after the optimization dates could have been taken, and some of them were taken by our Smart Trader tier members. The best part is you have the ability to connect any of our strategies to your broker and run them on autopilot as a trading bot. This means you don't have to watch the charts all day long, as the bots can enter and exit into any of the trades for you. The goal of this video is to show you what can be a realistic expectation if you want to become an algorithmic/systematic trader. I brought you 4 of our optimized scripts, which I will talk about in detail. For each script you can find a video on our channel in which I explain how they work. You can get access to all of our premium scripts and optimizations by becoming one of our Smart Trader tier member on Patreon. All of these optimizations are using a 0.05% fee per trade, as that is the realistic fee rates used on Binance. Besides that, the scripts are using $1,000 account balance. Without further ado say, let's get right into it. Let's start off with one of our best optimizations, the EMA script optimized for the 15-minute ALGO USDT chart. This script was optimized and released to our smart traders on the 16th of February. So now I will limit the script's trading time to only show the trades that were took after the 16th of February. Okay, here you can see the results. The optimized EMA premium strategy took 103 trades and made 31% net profit in around 6 months. The win rate and the net profit are both extremely good, and the max drawdown is around my preferred tolerance of 10%. Now let's take a look at a long and a short trade example. Here is a long trade example. The entry signal was given on this candle and the strategy entered into a long position on the next candle open. The entry point in my opinion was a good one, as the price just pulled back into the moving averages, consolidated a bit and got ready for the next leg up. The starting risk to reward ratio was a 1 to 0.8 with this strategy. Once that first take profit level got hit, the strategy closed off 50% of the position, locking in a portion of the profits. Then it led the rest of the position right until the trailing stop loss got hit. When the trailing stop loss got hit, the new risk to reward ratio was now a 1 to 1.54. Okay, let's move on to a short example. The basic risk to reward is the same, but the second take profit level had a 1 to 2.07 risk to reward. The entry point was another pullback consolidation level right after the price took a massive drop to the 0.253 level. Both of these entry levels were great points in my opinion, with a relatively good risk to reward. Let's move on and see the next optimization. This one also uses the EMA premium script, but now I optimized it for the FTM USDT 10-minute chart. I also allowed taking short trades only for this script, as the current bearish market provides better opportunities for short positions. The optimization was released for the smart traders on the 22nd of May. So let's limit the script so it only shows the trades that were took after the 22nd. Here are the results. The strategy took 88 trades and made 15% net profit with around a 1.6 profit factor. As you can see, this equity curve has strong winning but also strong losing streaks. That's because with this script I used the enter on all trades function, meaning the script will enter into a new position even if there is another open position. Let me show you how it works. Here are 3 short entries. The first 2 entries were at a safer pullback consolidation area, but the third one was took when the price had already started its move to the downside. So we can say that this optimization is a bit more aggressive. With this one, we don't have a trailing stop loss, we only have a rigid 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Moving on, let's take a look at the third optimization. The following script optimization uses our MACD plus CMF premium script, and it is optimized for the ADA USDT 50-minute chart. The optimization was released on the 12th of March. So, just like before, I am limiting the trading time to only show the trades that were took after the release. Here are the results. The script took 87 trades and made 13% net profit. The profit factor is above 1.5, which is great, but if you take a look at the equity curve, you can see that most of the profits were made with only one trade, and the reason for that is that this optimization uses a 2-step take profit with a super trend trailing stop loss. The first take profit level is at a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio and it exits with 25% of the position. With optimizations like this, you have to be prepared to have a low win rate and to have losing streaks. But the trades that really work out will recover all of the losses of the previous trades and bring the equity curve to new heights. Now let's find that one big trade. Here is that one. After reaching a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio, the script closed off 25% of the total position and let the rest ride. Let's find where the full position was closed. As you can see, Cardano had a massive run-up, which was closely followed by the trading stop-loss. The position was closed right on this candle after a 34% price increase, giving us an amazing 1-to-18 risk-to-reward ratio. Although trades like this look amazing, but you also have to be prepared for those long break-even and losing periods. Finally, let's take a look at the last optimization. This one was optimized for the Bitcoin USDT 5-minute chart on the price data between 2017 and 2022. For this, I used our multi-entry premium script. If you want to know more about this optimization, I already made an in-depth video of it, which you can find linked down in the description. Or just click on the pop-up in the top right corner. After the optimization was finished, I checked its performance on different assets and timeframes and found out that it works well on multiple crypto pairs and timeframes. The best results, however, were achieved on the 5-minute ETH USDT chart, so that's what we are going to check. Originally, I did not use any commission for this optimization, but as live trading comes with trading fees, let's add a 0.05% per trade commission. The release date for this one is the 24th of July, so let's set that as a starting date. Here you can see all the results since then. Since the 24th of July, the strategy took 79 trades and made around 10% gain on the account. However, using low time frames like the 5-minute comes with higher number of trades, but the fees have much bigger effects on your profits. That's why I recommend using 15-minute time frame or anything above. With this multi-entry script, I used 2 entry signals, which are amongst the best ones I have ever found. If you want to see which indicators are the most accurate for giving trade entry signals, check out the best entry signal part 1 and part 2 videos. The optimization also uses a trailing stop loss, that's why you can see spikes in the equity curve. Let's see if it still performs good on higher time frames. Looking the performance on the 15-minute chart, the strategy had made 4.5%, and on the 30-minute chart it took only 1 trade but made 2% net profit. We also have other optimizations like the 4-hour ADA USDT or the 30-minute GBP JPY, but I won't go into greater detail because they only had a few trades since. I hope this video gave a brief introduction on what can be the realistic expectations of an algo/systematic trader. Our goal is to create tens or hundreds of these strategy optimizations and run them as trading bots simultaneously. This way we can have a diverse portfolio of strategies and higher number of trades per day. Each month we are creating better and better strategies and optimizations, getting closer and closer to our goal. If you want to follow us on our journey while getting access to all of our scripts and optimizations, become one of the Smart Trader tier members on our Patreon. Which optimization was your favorite, and what should I optimize the next strategy for? Let me know down in the comment section. As always, thank you all for watching, have an amazing day, and see you in the next video.